reason why most of you are still losing views and potential subscribers is because your channel looks empty. Okay, so people click on your videos, they check your channel, and then they leave. Why? Because you have failed to customize your channel, and customization actually makes your channel pops. Okay, it pops out. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to customize your YouTube channel correctly today, step by step. Okay, so your channel looks professional and you'll be able to attract both new viewers and subscribers, okay, and even brands. Now, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy. On this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel, okay? If this sounds like something that you want, then feel free by joining the family. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified, okay? And share to others as well. Before we go straight to my screen, because I'll be recording my screen to show you, of course, like step by step, just like I said earlier on. But I would like to state out a few things now, okay? Now, your channel name is one of the first things I would like to talk about. Please use a name that is easy to remember, to spell, to search, okay? And that is related to your niche as well. Your niche is the kind of content you create, of course, which you already know. And avoid long names that people cannot remember or spell or pronounce. For instance, you are in the tech review niche, you can say tech with joy. For instance, maybe you're in the cooking niche, you can say taste with joy or cook with joy. Now, the second thing you should know is that you should upload a profile picture, okay? It's very essential. The third thing is for you to create channel banner. The fourth thing is for you to add channel about section, like this, what your channel entails. It's very important, guys. And lastly, is for you to create a channel description, okay? Now that I've stated out all of these important things, I'll just go straight to my screen recording and show you what to do, okay? So open Chrome on your phone and search for YouTube dashboard, as you can see on my screen. Click on this first one that says share your video to the world, YouTube dashboard, okay? It will redirect you to the desktop site, okay? Just wait for it to load. Now it has loaded. This is where you do most of the major uploads on your channel, okay? Click on this one that looks like magic. It's called customization. That's the customization button. Look at it. Here it's asking you for a channel banner. So to get this done, we're going to be using an app I love so much, Pinterest app. Okay, you can also use Canva for this one. Do you understand me? But let's use Pinterest app. Now go ahead and open your Pinterest app. So even if it's Canva you're using, just go ahead and search for YouTube banner, whether on Canva or Pinterest, YouTube banner. And then they'll bring out the already made templates that you can use to actually do yours. We have a lot of banners here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just quickly go ahead and pick one. You can go through it and see the one you like for yourself, okay? I'll just pick this one for the tutorial sake. Now, all I have to do is to save it. Use these three dotted buttons to save it. Are you seeing other ones beneath it? Okay. Depends on the one you want to choose. Choose one and go ahead with it. Use these three buttons to save it. Download the image so it has downloaded already. Now, the next thing to do is to go to, I like to use CapCut for this. You can use Gemini AI for this. I already dropped a video on how to use Gemini AI. So let's go to CapCut. But before then, I would like to remove the name. Okay, there's something that, let's use this our eraser. Okay, look at that name. Yeah, that's what I want to clean off. So use the eraser to clean that part. So you can actually put your name there without any visible mark from the original picture. Okay, now save it and then we'll now take it inside CapCut. Okay, start a new project in CapCut and get this picture inside. So click on start new project and look for that particular picture. Okay, put it inside, import it inside, and then you can put your name right there. Let me just do a sample. Just go ahead and play with it however you want it to. So whatever your channel name is, that's what you put right here. Okay, then you just write new videos every week, as you can see underneath it. Just change the color of the writing, that's all. Then you can go ahead and put your picture in that part that there's the circle. Okay, so I've written my name on it. I'll just go ahead and screenshot when I'm done. For yours, you can put your picture in this circled part if you want, but this is just a tutorial to show you. When you are doing yours, you can settle down and do it. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long, guys, but this is how you do it. Just go ahead and save it. So guys, we are done with that. We'll now go back to Chrome to upload it. Okay, so because I already have mine right there, I will not be uploading, but for you that's just starting out, you can now go ahead and upload when you're done. If you want to add your pictures, like I said, you can add your picture in that circled part. So that's how I was able to create this one, as you can see on my own. Now the next thing is your profile picture.
which is very important, guys. Put a profile picture that you have a clear face. People can easily recognize you, and when they see you anytime, they will know that this is you. Okay. The next thing is your name. Okay, like I said before, pick a name that is easy to remember and easy to spell. Okay. Now the next one is your handle. Please make sure your name and your handle is the same thing. Stop using separate things because it makes it hard for people to find you. Do you understand? Now the next thing is description. As you can see right here, please use a very searchable description. If you don't know what description to use, put your niche in ChatGPT and to give you a description that is best for your channel. SEO optimized, okay, that has keywords and good hashtags that can actually bring people to your videos. Okay, now here is your channel link. Is automatic according to your name and your setup. YouTube automatically sets that for you. Okay, the next thing is just a way of asking people to subscribe. If you check my channel, you will see it right there. I actually copied my YouTube link and pasted it there as a link. Okay, I just said please subscribe for more and I pasted it right there, as you can see. Then my email is there as well, and you can actually add your email, but please don't add your YouTube email. Okay, add the email that is not associated with YouTube channel. Don't use your YouTube email for public domain because people can actually have access to it right there. And then the next thing is the watermark. You have to use watermark and put it as entire video, as you can see on mine right there. And please you can use the picture you designed earlier, or you can use your profile picture. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but it has to be something, one of the two. You have to use that your profile picture or the picture you designed a while ago. So the last setup is for you to click on this sideways. I said home tab. Okay, click on that home tab. You see this place that is turned on. Yours might be turned off because you are new or you've not set it up before. Click on, okay, and make sure it's turned on, and then click on this add section and see what you can add. Okay, it's very important. This part is what arrange your video according to the time you posted it and according to different segments, like as you can see, videos, shorts, and other things. Just go ahead and set it up here. Popular video, trailer, channel trailer, and the rest of them, as you can see right there. Now this very important one, click on more settings or options and click on videos. Okay, let your videos be your major market. You see this part that says all upload and recent upload. Please click on recent uploads only. It's very important, else YouTube will be recommending your old videos and you don't want that because your new ones will not be getting views. So click on recent uploads only so that YouTube will be recommending your new videos. Do you understand? So this is basically everything you need to set up on your channel. If you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe for more. Okay, I give tips like this and I've got other tips in my channel. Just go ahead and check it out and it will be very helpful for you. Okay,
Guys, now you know how to customize your channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like this video, share, and also drop your comments. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.